Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. Tomorrow is National Coffee Day and Friday is International Coffee Day. So let's raise a cup. I am going to show you how to make coffee with the French press. Café pressé. First, I start with grinding the beans. You can get your beans already ground, but I find the flavor is bigger and bolder when you grind your own. My French press was a gift from a friend, and you know, we had an electric coffee maker and it was fine, but I tried this and it changed me forever. I'm going to make some noise now. Okay, now we take our ground beans, we put them in the French press, and we add water about to the top. Not entirely to the top because we have to press. I like this because I like the whole process of it. I love the way coffee smells. Now that I have got my coffee where I want it, I give it a stir. I let the dog bark, and I've got about a minute or so to let it brew and to tell you a little more about coffee. The reason we love coffee the way we do is yes, a little bit of a caffeine zing, that's fun, but it's also very umami. It's got so many layers of flavors. It's savory, it's sweet. I mean, this Sumatra that I just got says it's chocolate, cinnamon, nutmeg. We love those flavors. And I love Orinoco, but there are so many great brands of coffee out there. You should find your own. What I would really like you to look for is organic and fair trade. That means that the products you're getting are delicious, but they also take care of the earth and take care of the people who are growing it too. I think we might be ready to press. This sometimes takes upper body strength. What you need to do is make sure your filter is nice and clean. Are we ready, folks? I like my coffee very milky, so I heated up some oat milk. And we have some beautiful black coffee here. I love my beautiful black coffee, but I've never been man enough to drink it all black. So I have heated up some almond milk. I think you can see it's nice and steamy. Because why would you pour cold milk in hot coffee? How we think of a cup of coffee has changed. This is really wonderful for me. I would rather have one fantastic cup than something like that. And that's another thing about French press. It is such great coffee that you could break up with your barista and probably save yourself a lot of money in the long run. It's a great way to treat yourself well. So for National Coffee Day, International Coffee Day, or for any morning to get yourself going, here is to French presses, here's to cafe. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks, bye-bye.